Hi, welcome to Paleo Hacks Cookbook Review. Paleo Hacks Cookbook show you how to make over 200 juicy, mouth-watering paleo recipes you've never seen or tasted before. Fellow paleo friend, let's get serious for a second. You're here because you already know that the paleo diet is a great thing. We both know that there's no other diet on earth that delivers so many across the board health benefits without calorie counting, hype, gimmicks, or anything like that. In fact, paleo is not really a diet at all. It's really a return to the type of eating your body naturally craves and was designed for. And that's why it works. As I'm sure you've heard, countless individuals around the world have turned to the paleo diet and a way of living in order to regain their health, energy, vitality, and power. Just a few of the benefits are leaner, stronger muscles, increased energy, significant more stamina, clearer, smoother skin, weight loss results, better performance and recovery, stronger immune system, enhanced libido, greater mental clarity, no more hunger cravings, thicker, fuller hair, clear eyes, and so much more. Maximum nutrition, minimum interference. For more detailed review, please visit the official website below the description. For a very limited time, you can receive $40 off. Click the official website link below description to receive your pre-sale price of just $10 plus all the bonuses worth over $97. Act fast!